Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Today on Tuesday, July the 2nd, 2024, we have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Three Stars Sudoku, the Four Stars Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In this newspaper, we have also an additional. Let me show you the additional. The additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. First one is a ladder Sudoku, then we have a 2 stars, a 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Now, this afternoon, I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. News of today, well, in the evening, we have a match between Holland versus Romania. Well, it's just finished. Holland has won with 3-0. Yes, 3-0. So we are now in the quarterfinals. And I'm very well pleased. Alright, the first Sudoku, 3 star Sudoku, will be number 8827. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits, this one has 26. It's indicated with 3 stars. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 1 more. Should be at 2 stars for 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about? Yeah, which number can I pick? How about the number 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Now 5 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in the middle column could be here or there. Here or there we see another 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row. 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright, need a 6. We have a pair here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 in this column could be here, could be there. Same for the 4. This box can be a 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. That box can be a 4 because we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. So the 4 goes together with the 6 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. And now, let me see. How about the 3 in the last row? 3 in that row. So the row between, the middle row. Sorry, the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 6 goes and there. 5, okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 in that row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. We have 1 in this column, 1 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Alright, now, let me see. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. Need a 7 here also. Come on. 2 and 3. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 2, 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. Then look, we have 3 in the first column. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 3 in this big square should be there. So the 7 and 8 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 8. Alright. Then. Well, we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3. Let me see. 3, 3. Need 7. Need a 4. 4, 4. Yeah. 6. Need a 6 here. 2 numbers left in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes at there. 9, 9. And now, need 2, and need a 3 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8. And look, we have 3 and 8 in this column. So no 3 and 8. Oh, wait. 3, 4, 8. We already have a 3. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8 should be. Well, this box can be an 8, so the 8 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And we need a 4 here. 4 could be everywhere. Yeah. Okay. 2, 4, and 9. Need a 9 here. Alright, need a 9 here, need a 9 there, so we need a 9 there. Need a 1 here. 2, 7, 3. Need a 8. 2, 7. 2, 7, 8, and 1, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. These 4 missing numbers are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 1, 2, 7, 8. 1, 2, 7, 8, 1, 2, 7, 8, 1, 2, 7, 8, 1, 2, 7, 8. And look, we have a 2, 7, and 8 in the first column. So one digit left should be the 1 here. 1, 1. So the 2, 7, and 8 are left, okay. Well, we have a pair. The 1 and the 3 in the first column, the 1 and the 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 1 and the 3 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. And look, we have 1 and 3 in this third row. So no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Need a 7 here. Need a 4 here. And I need a 4 there. Well, need an 8 here. Need a 9 here. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 4 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second. Oh, yeah, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last row for the amount. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, we already have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Here also 2 and 8. Alright. How about? Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Yeah. Well, in this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. In the second row, one of the missing numbers is a 9. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. And there can be a 9, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. So the only place left of 9 in this second row should be there. I need a 2 here. Yeah. In the second row, we need a 2. Well, here can be 2 because these 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and 8. So here can be also a 2 because we have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. So the only place left of 2 in this row should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. 1 and the 3, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column, second column for number 3. Alright. Then 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left of 7 should be there. So here also 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 8. We have a pair, 2 and the 8. Then let me see. 8 and the 7. Well, these last numbers in the last column are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. And we have a pair now, 7 and 8, 7 and 8. That means that this box cannot be an 8 anymore. The 8 should be in one of these 2 boxes in this row. So if we eliminate here the 8 goes there. 7 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, 7 goes there. 8 or 7, we have an 8 now, so this box should be a 7. 8 or 7, we have a 7 here in the last column, so this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, 1 box left in this middle row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. We need a 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 2 and 8, we have a 2 in the third column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Well, told you, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars. Definitely a 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.